How to find deposit address on CoinEx. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Your deposit address is like your crypto bank account number on CoinEx. You can use it to receive coins like USDT, BTC, etc. So first of all, launch open the CoinEx app and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page of CoinEx, go to the Asset tab at the bottom right corner and tap on it. Now scroll down and tap on I want to deposit and select the coin you want to receive from the top of the screen. Tap the drop down and select the coin you want to receive, and you'll be able to see its network and the deposit address at the bottom. Make sure that you choose the correct network, and under deposit address, you'll see a QR code along with a long string of numbers and letters. Tap on the copy button right next to the number and letter to copy your deposit address, or you can also let anyone scan the QR code to send you funds. So there you have it. Now you know how to find and use your CoinEx deposit address safely. Make sure that you always double check your coin plus network match. Some coins also need a memo or tag. A wrong network will lead you to losing your fund. So always test with a small amount first whenever you try to deposit funds. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.